you can also import out Word documents inside of your Prezi Design directly. So here I am in the home page of Prezi Design, and if you want to import out Word documents, you can click on Convert PPT, PDF or doc file right here. So once you go around over here, what you can simply do is click on Upload File, and then you choose the doc file that you want to import out. So once you select out the doc file, that is Microsoft Word document file right here, you can click on Open, and what happens is that your document starts getting uploaded onto Prezi Design, and it gets converted as a Prezi Design file. So this does take a while right here, and then when the processing finishes, then you can see your Word document file gets converted as a Prezi Design file, and you can edit it out as if it was natively designed inside of Prezi Design. And that is how you can import out a Word document or a document file inside of Prezi Design and then edit it as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.